Now, from the introduction, you understood what order of operation is, its usefulness. Okay. Now let's look at the order of operations. Now, first, when you have any mathematical expression, you first do the parenthesis and bracket. Okay. Next, you do the exponent. Then you handle the multiplication and division. Last, you do the addition and subtraction. Okay. Now we are going to discuss all of this one after the other. Now, there is an acronym here that will help us to remember. So, this P here is parenthesis or bracket. Okay. E here is the exponent. M means multiplication. D here is division. A here is addition. Then last you do the subtraction. Let's look at parenthesis and bracket. Parentheses are these marks. Let me show you these marks that you can see here. These marks are used to enclose words, sentences. To us, we are going to enclose numbers here. Okay. And bracket, these are bracket. Now this one is called a parenthesis, but bracket, this is bracket. Okay. At times you may have parenthesis and bracket in an expression. Something like this. Let me see. You can have something like this. This is the bracket. See, bracket is enclosed. It's enclosing the parenthesis. Okay. I hope you have seen an expression like this. So most times the bracket, if parenthesis and bracket are all combined, at times you may see something like this. The bracket will be the one enclosing the parenthesis. Okay. So when you are faced with this type of expressions, you first of all do the parenthesis. At least you go from left to right. So you do the parenthesis first inside, then you now do the bracket. Let's look at this example here. Okay. Now when you have this expression, according to the rule, says we do the parenthesis or the bracket. Okay. Now here, let's do the bracket. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. So here is 9. Now let me bring down this 10. So this is 10. Okay. Now 10 times 9, this will give us 90. So that is it for this one. Now coming here, all of them are parentheses here. Okay. So you can do any one of it. You can choose to handle any. It's still the same thing since all of them are brackets or parentheses. So let's do this. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 here will give us 2. Okay. Now plus 6 plus 2. This is 8. Now 2 plus 8, this will give us 10. Okay. Now we are going to look at multiplication and division. Then we also look at addition and subtraction. Okay. Now using these particular examples that we have here. So let's look at example 1. Example 1, we are having addition and multiplication. Addition and multiplication. Now which one comes first? You can see multiplication comes before addition. So we handle it first. Now 2 times 5. This will give us 10. So let me bring down this plus 3 here. Now 3 plus 10. This will give us 13. Example 2. We are having multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication and subtraction. Now which one comes first here? Based on the rule. Multiplication. So we'll handle multiplication first. So 3 times 5. This is 15. Then minus 1. Now 15 minus 1. This will give us 14. These are examples that have division and subtraction. So let's look at example 4. Example 4 here has the division and the addition. So let's see division and addition. Division and addition. According to this rule, which one comes first? You can see D comes first. So we do it first. So 12 divided by 6, this will give us 2. Okay. Then plus 5. You can see subtraction is the one that comes, addition, the one that comes last. So 2 plus 5, this will give us 7. Example 5. Here, the operations are minus, that is subtraction and division. So subtraction and division, which one comes first according to this rule? You can see division comes first. So we are going to handle this first. So 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5, this will give us 2. Okay, so let me bring down this subtraction. Then here 20. Now 20 minus 2, this will give us 18. Okay, now last example here, we have this example has division and multiplication. Division and multiplication. So according to this, which one comes first? You can see multiplication comes first. So we are going to handle this. So we say 4 times 5. 4 times 5, this will give us 20. Okay, and let me bring down the division sign and the 40 here. So now handle 40 divided by 20, this will give us 2. Okay, so this rule is very, very important. If you solve your own not according to this if you solve your own not according to this rule, you are going to have a wrong answer. So please be careful and follow the order of operations. Please, if you like my videos, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment. Thank you and God bless you.